Redbubble Store Reviews Episode 1. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be doing my first Redbubble review. Before we get into that, I just quickly want to apologize to Zainab for doing the review late. The thing is with Redbubble, let me just quickly show you. With Redbubble, if your comment has a link, it is held for review, and I didn't notice that your comment went into held for review folder, so it took a while for me to get to review your store, and I'm sorry about that. So like, take for example right here, you can see this comment has been held for review. It says it's an ad. So YouTube just thinks comments with links are ads, so it automatically removes it from the review. It was not some time ago, a few days ago, that I noticed the comment notification on my phone, and on going to the video, it wasn't there. So that's what caused me to start doing research, why the comment did not appear on the video. And on doing extra research, I noticed that it's a default setting that YouTube holds comments which have links in them for review. So right now everything is okay. I have removed that default setting, and all the comments can be found on all the videos. No more holding for review. So without further ado, let's get right into reviewing your store. So here is Zainab store. My first view of the store, it looks beautiful. This is really unique. These drawings here, the store art, so I like it. But I'll just quickly recommend that you put a promotion that Redbubble always gives. Put the promotion on your store. You know, most customers always like discounts, so when they see a discount on your store, let me show you what I mean by it. An example of a store that I'm talking about. As you can see, it's written in bold: stickers on sale, buy 4 plus 25% off, buy 10 plus 50% off. So, and if you do this and set, so the once the customer sees this, the customer is interested in buying stickers. Actually, they set the default view to max, but it was supposed to set the default view to stickers. Because, so I'll just recommend that you do something similar like this. Right on the top header, you'll see a discount, but this time around they're doing gift cards. Other times you'll see socks, you'll see stickers, and much more. So I'll recommend that you put your channel ad or your store ad to be a promotion. So scrolling down, the second tip, I noticed that you put a feature collection, which is what I would have recommended if you didn't. Putting a feature collection and other collections is what everyone should do on their stores. And on your feature collection, you should put your best-selling design. So if a customer sees the design and likes it, the customer is, if many people have purchased that design, it's very likely that someone else landing on your store is going to purchase that design. So put all your best-selling designs on your featured collection. I also like that you have other collections right here, and I like that you've named them, so it's easy for someone to find what they're searching for. If you're looking to make more sales, I recommend that you produce what people are searching for. Take for example, just looking on Redbubble itself, let's go to the search page, just click this and you can see trending, these designs, or this is what people are searching for. And if you click it, you immediately see the tags right here. These are the tags, the various tags that people have used on their designs, and you can use these tags right here. And these are the various products that have been highlighted. I can see marks here, I can see stickers. So these are the various products that you can put as a default view on your store: marks, stickers, and you can use these tags here. It's going to put your design, or it's going to put your product on the top pages, just like these ones right here. So let's click on this geometrical transparent design. Let's see what it's all about. Your title could have been a little bit longer, like you can fill your title with, I recommend that you fill up your title with tags. Let's scroll down to your tags and see what tags you put. So this is actually the product tags: cat, pin, cube, geometric, line art, and all that. I would recommend that you put some of these tags on your title, because as you can I can see that your title is really short. The title is just geometric cat. But if you can put, let's scroll down. If you can put geometric cat, line art, modern, minimal, animal, kitty, adding more tags to your title will help your design get found faster. And if you want to use more tags, if you want an additional tags, I recommend that you use Flying Upload. You can start for free. The link is in the description. And you can use the code Vanessa10 for a 10% discount. If you want to get more tags, just put a sample tag here, select it and click write keywords. It's gonna pull up keywords that people have been searching for. So just click this, click it, and it's gonna come down here. Then simply copy it and increase your tags. So that's how I quickly get the tags that I want to use for my designs. It's very easy. You should give it a try. As for your pricing, see, this is what I was talking about right here. You see, Redbubble always runs discounts on stickers and other products. So take a look at the product, look at the discount that Redbubble runs, and put it on your store art. So that's what I was trying to explain before. So moving ahead, your pricing. I've made a video about the tips you should take into consideration with Redbubble. Is this video right here, 5 tips to make money fast on Redbubble. I recommend that you watch it and apply the tips. So in this video I talked about pricing, how much you should price your stickers, how much you should price all your products in your store. Redbubble's default is $12.50, but you can, to stay competitive and make sure that customers purchase your design or your product instead of your competitor, is by reducing the price. So Redbubble's default is $12.50, but you can reduce it to $11.10, whatever you feel comfortable. So in that video I went into depth about it. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend that you do. So take a look at this. Redbubble's homepage, there are several products that you can see, but look at these ones here. These ones are highlighted. That means that more people are purchasing masks, stickers, t-shirts. So I would recommend that you choose either of these products and set it as a default view on your homepage. Zainab, take a look at your homepage. It's made up of stickers, notebooks, what more? Sleeves, journals. So there are many products that are highlighted on your homepage, which can confuse the customer. So I recommend that you choose either of these products highlighted right here and set it as a default view on your shop. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a bit. The next step is to optimize your designs for marks, stickers, and more. So go to manage portfolio, click on it, and on the home page click on this check. That is going to select all the designs available on. If a design is not available in any product, click on the product you want to enable, then click enable. And if you want to put the default view in any of the designs or any of the products, click default view tab, then click the product you want as a default view and click set default. So that's how it's very easy to set a product as your default view. So Zainab, looking at your store, you have 936 designs, which is not bad, but you can always hit that daily upload limit of 50 if I'm not mistaken. Redbubble's daily upload limit is 50. If you can hit this upload limit every day, you'll have a better chance of making more money. And the tool that I use, one of the tools that I use to hit my daily limit is POD Connect. Go to your services. Yes, it's available in Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Printify, Zazzle, and Gutton. Other markets are coming soon. You can get it for $19.99 per month. And you can use the code Make Money Online for a 20% discount. Link is in the description. So Zainab, the conclusion is that your store looks great, your products are great, but if you can put all the tips I've given you in this video, then your store will be awesome. So the question of the day is, how many designs do you have in your Redbubble stores? Let me know in the comment section below. So guys, if you found my video helpful, if you learned anything new, give my video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about KDP, Print on Demand, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first one notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.